my lovely students. Once again, I am here with the next video. I hope you all have watched previous videos. Today, we will discuss about healthy and unhealthy food. Children, on the screen, you can see different types of food. Can you tell me which food is good for health and which is not? Very good. Healthy food is more important for our body, and it is very simple to say. It contains minerals, vitamins, proteins and many more nutrients. Like milk contains calcium, carrot contains vitamin, fruit and vegetables contain different minerals. So it helps to grow and it makes our body strong. Now I would like to tell you a story. In this story, you will know about the advantage and disadvantage of healthy and unhealthy food. Long time ago, a family lived in a city, and grandparents along with their mummy, papa and 8-year-old Himanshu and 7-year-old Himani. हिमानी और हिमांशु को जंक फूड खाना बहुत पसंद था. They always used to eat pizza and burger. They don't like to eat fruits and vegetables. One day, their mother said, if you would not eat vegetables and fruits, your eyesight will become poor and you have to wear specs in such a small age. But they never listened to their mother. One day, their mother explained very lovingly, if we eat fruits and vegetables, your eyesight will become strong, and if your eyesight becomes poor, then you have to wear specs all the time. मम्मी की कही हुई बातें हिमानी को तो समझ में आ गई, but हिमांशु ने अभी भी मम्मी की एक भी ना सुनी. He said, "No mom, I like pizza and burger, and I will eat only this." Mother also stopped explaining to Himanshu. And many days passed. Himani started eating fruits and vegetables daily. और हिमांशु वही पहले की तरह पिज्जा बर्गर पे जीतता था. One day, Himanshu's teacher asked him in school, "Himanshu, come on, solve these questions on the blackboard." When Himanshu looked at the blackboard, he found everything blurred. He rubbed his eyes. He looked once again. But still, he found everything blurred. Teacher angry हो गई और हिमांशु से कहा, "हिमांशु, why are you not able to solve this easy question?" टीचर ने हिमांशु के पेरेंट्स को बुलाया और कहा, "I had asked Himanshu a very simple question, but he could not solve. And the question was 2 plus 2." Himanshu's mother and father scolded him. "What, Himanshu? You don't even know such a easy question? It seems you are not studying these days." Himanshu was crying and said, "No mom, I know very well 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, but मुझे बोर्ड पर हर चीजें ब्लर दिख रही थी." Mother said, "I told you before na, we should eat vegetables and fruits. See, your eyesight has become so weak. अगर तुमने हिमानी की तरह मेरी बातें सुनी होती तो आज आपकी आईसाइट इतनी पुअर ना होती." हिमांशु said, "Okay mama, from today I will eat healthy food, fruits and vegetables." Now हिमांशु has to wear specs all the time. तो आपने देखा, fruits and vegetables eat करने से हिमानी की आईसाइट नॉर्मल थी, बट हिमांशु ने हेल्दी फूड्स नहीं खाए तो उसे स्पेक्स लग गए, उसकी आईसाइट वीक हो गई. That's why healthy food is necessary. That's why healthy food is necessary for our body. And the junk food contains high levels of calories, sugar and harmful fat, with no proteins, vitamins or minerals, such as pizza, burger, pasta, noodles, etc. These are bad for our health. Now children, it's your practice time. Classify these food items into healthy and unhealthy food. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ फूड आइटम्स दिए हुए हैं जिसको आपको क्लासीफाई करना है। अनहेल्दी फूड को एक रो में राइट करना है और हेल्दी फूड को एक रो में राइट करना है। That's it for today. We will meet again in next video. Thanks for watching.